Hi there, it's wonderful to see you today. My name is Alex and we'll practice English together. Our goal for this lesson is simple. You will hear, repeat, and improve your English step by step. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. They are part of the journey. With patience and practice, your English will grow stronger. Let's begin slowly, step by step. Let me ask you something. How many times have you found yourself in a situation where you wanted to speak English, but instead you froze? Maybe you were in a conversation or at an event and the words just wouldn't come out. Your mind goes blank, your heart races, and you feel stuck. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners experience this, and today we're going to tackle it head-on. In this video, we are going to talk about daily shadowing practice to help you stop freezing and start speaking. This topic is vital because overcoming those moments of panic can transform how you communicate in English. By the end of this video, you will have simple techniques to implement shadowing into your routine, making it easier for you to express yourself confidently. But before we jump in, if you're eager to improve your English skills, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Join a community of learners and together we can support each other on this journey. Step 1. What is shadowing? The first step is understanding what shadowing is. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to someone speak and immediately repeat what they say, trying to mimic their pronunciation and intonation. This practice helps with both listening and speaking skills. For example, when listening to a simple English podcast, you might hear a sentence like, "I love going for walks in the park." Pause the audio after the sentence and repeat it out loud. This helps train your mouth and ears to the sounds of English. Step 2. Set aside daily practice time. Designate a specific time each day for shadowing practice. Even just 10 minutes, 15 minutes can make a big difference. Consistency is key. Choose a time that works for you, whether it's in the morning with your coffee or in the evening before bed. During this time, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, so you can focus fully on the practice. Step 3. Choose engaging audio next. Find audio materials that are enjoyable for you. This could be podcasts, videos, or even movie clips. As a beginner, find content designed for English learners, as they usually offer clear pronunciation and simpler vocabulary. For example, English with Lucy or BBC Learning English are great resources. Choose topics that interest you. If you love cooking, look for cooking shows or related podcasts. Step 4. Start with short clips. Begin your shadowing practice with short clips. Aim for segments that last only a couple of minutes. This makes it easier to concentrate and reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. After listening to a short 1 or 2 minute segment, play it again and shadow what you hear. If the speaker says, "Let's start making the recipe. First, chop the onions," pause afterward and repeat the sentence out loud. This repetition will help you internalize the sentence structure and vocabulary. Step 5. Repeat and reinforce. Now that you've shadowed a few sentences, it's important to repeat them multiple times. Repetition is essential for solidifying what you've learned. The more times you say the phrases, the easier it will be for you to remember them in future conversations. After you repeat the sentence, try to use it in your own context. For example, if you're planning dinner, say, "First, I'll chop the onions. This links the new phrase to your everyday life, making it more memorable. Step 6. Listen for intonation and emotion as you shadow. Pay attention to the intonation and emotion in the speaker's voice. English has a musical quality, and matching this can make your speech sound more natural. For example, if the audio expresses excitement, try to mirror that excitement when you repeat the phrase. This might mean bringing energy to the way you say it. If the speaker says, "I can't believe how delicious this is," with enthusiasm, ensure that your repetition captures that same excitement. Step 7. Record and review to track your progress. Consider recording yourself while you practice. After shadowing, play back your recording and listen to how you sound compared to the original audio. This will help you identify areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation or fluency. For instance, if you notice you struggle with specific sounds, you can focus on those during your next practice session. Recording yourself not only provides valuable feedback, but also boosts your confidence as you hear your improvement over time. Step 8. Engage with others. Finding a language partner can be very beneficial. Engage with someone who is also learning English, or try to find a native speaker who can practice with you. Share what you've learned through shadowing and discuss the audio you've listened to. You might ask questions like, "What do you think about the recipe we just heard about?" Or, "Have you tried making that dish before?" This interaction helps reinforce your learning and gives you the opportunity to use what you've practiced in real conversations. Step 9. Use visual aids. Visual aids can enhance your shadowing practice. While listening to your audio, look for videos or slides that accompany the content. This will help you connect what you hear with visual elements and make the learning experience richer. For example, if you're listening to a cooking podcast, find a video that shows how to prepare the dish being described. Following along visually while you shadow will deepen your understanding and retention of the vocabulary. Step 10. Be patient and persistent. Lastly, remember that learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. It's essential to be patient with yourself and stay persistent. You may have days where you feel like you're not making any progress, but that's okay. It's a normal part of the learning journey. To keep yourself motivated, set small, achievable goals for your shadowing practice. Maybe aim to learn 3 new phrases a week or to complete 1 shadowing session each day. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, as progress is progress. Real-life examples. Here are some practical phrases you can use in conversations related to your daily routines. 1. In the morning, I like to drink coffee and read the news. 2. After work, I usually go for a walk. 3. On weekends, I enjoy cooking with my family. 4. I learned a new recipe I want to try. 5. Let's discuss our plans for the weekend. Using these phrases will help you engage in conversations about daily activities more comfortably. Confidence tips. To enhance your confidence, keep these tips in mind. Speak slowly. There's no need to rush. Taking your time will help you articulate your thoughts clearly. Create a comfortable environment. Find a quiet place where you feel relaxed to practice without distractions. Visualize success. Before you start practicing, take a moment to imagine yourself speaking clearly and confidently. This can set a positive tone for your practice session. Strong closing. In conclusion, let's recap the steps to stop freezing and start speaking with daily shadowing practice. Understand shadowing. Select suitable materials, practice with short clips, repeat and reinforce. Pay attention. To intonation, record and review your practice. Engage with others. Use visual aids and be patient and persistent. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you will significantly improve your English speaking skills and gain the confidence you need to express yourself freely. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, overcoming the challenge of speaking English is a journey that takes time. Each practice session you engage in is a step toward fluency and confidence. Step by step, your English is becoming stronger. Keep pushing through the moments of uncertainty and don't forget to enjoy the process. Embrace every opportunity to speak and learn, and soon you will find yourself communicating with ease. You are making amazing progress. As you reflect on your journey today, take a moment to acknowledge the hard work you have put into practicing your English. Each session, whether through shadowing or engaging in conversations, is moving you closer to fluency. I want to congratulate you for your dedication and commitment to learning. Remember, learning English takes time and patience, and every small step you take is significant. The more you repeat, the more natural it will feel.